Hello, everybody.
Hi. Oh,
Hi.
wait. I need to get the bag.
Okay, so today we're going to be doing part 2 of
Wait,
our
hold on.
squishy
Get down
collection.
low. Need to get that. Yeah, that's good.
Part 2 of our squishy collection. So let's get started.
Hey, Lainey.
Oh,
Sorry.
and there's a special guest right here.
Oh, I'm from part 1.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
I'm
let's go behind
I'm not actually a special guest because
Okay, get down. Okay, come here. Now let's do the squishies. Okay. So how we're gonna do this is I'm gonna show you one squishy and then she can show you
sorry if Lainey's in the way because her butt is on a
ball.
a ball, yeah. But there's toys around and we're really sorry if it's in the way. Ooh.
Sorry, we're just trying to set this up so it like stays.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm being really crazy. I'm excited.
Wait, where the heck is this? Okay. Wait, now can you... Did I tip you upside down?
Yeah.
I just tipped you upside down. Okay, sorry about this one.
Yeah. The stand is really awkward.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, wait, what the heck?
Oh no, we're dropping squishies.
Yeah.
Oh, didn't even show.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so
I'm gonna go first. So the first one
come on.
is gonna be this. So the first one is, sorry if my hand's in the way, is this huge Rilakkuma. It's not huge, it's like, yes. Okay, this is not working now. Okay, sorry about this, dude. Like, it's like that big. Okay, so let's just set you back up. Sorry for this taking forever.
Yeah, it's okay if you don't like this.
Yeah, because we're stuck. Me too. Okay. So here's this machine. I don't know how I can set up the big squishies. So yeah, it's not that big. It just looks big. Okay, now Sarah's gonna show you.
Okay, so
It's a
this
short list right
is the panda bun.
It is not huge, guys. It's like the size.
Yeah. Okay. So I am going. So there's the bow. It's it's a girl, obviously.
Just get on with it.
It's really squishy. This is one of the most popular squishies, I think.
Yeah. Okay. There's that. Throw it on the ground.
Okay. There's a lot of different kind of panda buns.
Okay. Next, I got this macaron. Like I said, it's not huge.
We're probably gonna have to do a part 3 because she has so much squishy. Sorry.
So
we might have to do a part 3.
yeah.
Sorry if there's like noise because that's Lainey
And her big ball.
Well, it's actually Liz. It's
Right over there. You're gonna ruin my squishy.
Oh, you just broke your
stuff. Okay, so
It's actually Libby's fault.
shut up,
Lainey.
Oh, not me. She's wrecking things.
So Lainey's just wrecking stuff.
Shut up.
Oh, dude.
Sarah, you don't talk so much. So,
That was mine. It was
I'm
my
telling on
lemonade.
you. That's how you pop the ball.
It was mine.
So yeah. So there's that. We're not gonna move the ball. And sorry if you hear like coughing and stuff. Oh, sorry. I still have the same squishy. So yeah, there's a purple macaron. Okay, so sorry if you hear coughing.
Libby's gonna take on the video because I'm gonna go put this ball in the living room.
So the next one is this. Like this isn't that big either. Like I said, let's just set you up a bit. Okay, so I set it up better, Sarah. So it's not that big, like you said.
I'm
Sorry
back.
if the video is fuzzy. Oh, she's right there. She's right across
I'm
the
back.
room. Okay. And sorry if you hear hacking or anything, because like she's sick. She has like a cold. And so here's this. It's super rising.
Please
Still rising.
comment down below what your favorite squishy is.
Yeah. From this one, not from part 1, just this one.
Well, you can if you want to.
Yeah, that was in the other one. We decided to do that. I think.
Wait, can
So
I do
there's
this
the
one? or
rose.
not?
Yeah, do that one.
No, I'm not gonna do this.
Okay, do a different one.
Okay.
Quick.
Okay.
Next, we got this pink panda bun.
Yeah, with a red bow.
Wait, just show them the squishy first. Okay, so,
Okay.
So here's a squishy. I love it. It's not the big. Okay,
Here.
my turn. Okay, next we got this baseball. It's not that big, like I said. It's just because camera's close.
Why do you ew.
Sarah, shut up.
Sorry.
The frig. Sorry. Next we got this baseball.
What the frick?
Sarah. I'm sorry, no kids are gonna hear this. So yeah, it's a little
Okay.
Jaru ball. Sarah's turn.
Next, we have this. Sorry if my hand's in the way. This cotton candy.
Okay, squish it.
Really cute, and it has a bow on it. It's all pink.
Sorry if you hear like wrinkling noises, because that's just the bag.
Do you want to go get you something to eat?
No, and that's okay. Okay, next we got this steam bun or dumpling. Comment down below if this is steam bun or dumpling. I think it's a steam bun. Sarah's just going over there to get something to eat. Because obviously she's hungry. Okay. So yeah. And the yellow filling. Sorry, the camera's very fuzzy. So there's that. Okay, I'm just gonna take over the vlog. A little bit pushy. Stop! We're making a video! So next we got this hamburger.
Hot dog or chicken?
Hot dog. Okay, next we got this hamburger. I'm just taking over. Sorry if you hear talking about stuff. Here comes Sarah again. It's right there. She's here. Sorry, the vlog camera is not functioning with me now.
Sorry if you hear us eating, because we're going to be eating a hot dog.
Yeah. Okay.
We'll try to be as quiet as we can.
Okay, here, Sarah. Go. Okay. Okay. She's gonna give you.
I'm going to do this
It's a
dumpling.
or steam bun. Comment down below.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It's really squishy. It's not that colorful. I don't
Donuts
like it.
coming up next. Okay.
Didn't we already do that?
No, it was the other one. Okay. Next we got this donuts.
So the last, no, that wasn't the same one as last video, was it?
Sorry, my hands are wet, like, cause the thing is right here, and that's where I'm taking my hand out.
No.
Sorry, that's just my mom talking to this.
I have a cold.
You have a cold, Sarah?
Yeah.
That water?
That's my mom.
We made part 2. We're making part 2.
Of our squishy collection. So there's that. Okay, Sarah's turn. Sarah.
Look at this water.
It's, look how tiny this water is.
Oh yeah, it's really
Really?
big. Sit you up. Just oh.
Just stand.
Look at. Okay.
Look how tiny that is.
Yeah.
Like, it's a water. Let me take over or are you gonna go?
I'm going. Sorry if you hear my voice like drinking, but.
Let me open it. Okay, go.
I can open it. You didn't
Okay,
go.
it's already open.
Okay.
Okay.
This strawberry. So I already squished it. Squished a lot of them.
Okay, let me see it. Move your hand.
Squishy.
Sorry, just like fixing my stand. It's horrible.
These have right there where.
You have to get your hand.
There's
there's
the cap. That
Sorry,
black
this is
thing.
very messy. Okay, sorry, I just squished it. But like, we have to get up close so it's like not fuzzy or anything. So it focuses. Okay, so there's that. Okay, next one is going to be this. I have a lot of lip squishies. Next, I have this bear bun. It's super cute. Look at little ears. It's super tiny. Need the camera to focus on this keychain ring.
Oh, I just wanted to pet it. So rude.
So there's that. Okay, Sarah's gonna show you now. Okay, Sarah, come here.
Okay.
Is that
So
your
next we have this this green waffle. There's the back of it. And there's like sprinkled sugar on it. It's really squishy.
Okay, let's just move on. Okay, my turn. Next I got this cupcake. Got this from Michaels. It's not very surprising. Sarah. Sorry, she's crazy today. Okay, so there's that. Sorry, we're just look at how many we have. This is even from part 1. All this. And yes, we're using a piano bench in our stand. And there's Sarah. Okay.
Let's show them how much squishies.
No, let's just come on. We're running out
So
of time.
here's this grilled cheese. See the cheese?
Or whatever it is.
It's just the yellow stuff. But I thought this was a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
But it's like yellow stuff. I'm gonna kneel down. Okay, you done? Okay, she has to go to the bathroom. I'm just gonna show you this. So you
Wait, how did the cat get out of here?
She can go through the things. Next one is this taiyaki fish. It's super, super skinny. And it's sort of sticky. Sorry, I just zoomed in. So you see it. Okay, I'm gonna zoom out now. Okay. I zoomed out. Coming. Okay, sorry guys, but okay, now we have to end the vlog, so stay tuned for part 3 and comment down below, okay, if you want me to do it.
Don't
And
catch up.
so bye guys.